Losing a sale because shoppers can't find the right information is painful, and it might happen more often than you realize. Your Shopify store is open 24 hours a day, and if someone has a question while you're offline, well, you might lose a sale over it. That's why FAQ pages are so important. They're not the most exciting pages on your site, but they do a lot of work for your brand. FAQ pages remove friction, they increase customer trust, they lighten the load for your customer support team, they are great for SEO, and best of all, they are very easy to create in Shopify. Here's how to do it.
To create an FAQ page on Shopify, first select the sales channel that you want to customize. Then click on the Customize button next to your theme. This will take you to Shopify's built-in theme editor. Open the drop-down menu at the top of the screen that allows you to navigate through the different templates, select Pages, and then scroll down and select Create Template. Give this new template a name and continue. Let's remove these body sections that come with the default template here. They're not too helpful for an FAQ page. Once you have a blank slate to work with, go to the left sidebar of the theme editor and click on the Add Section option in the Template section. Then select Collapsible Content. In the collapsible row blocks, you can write your questions in the heading field and your answers in the row content field. You can also add or remove as many collapsible rows as needed. To add another collapsible row, click on this plus sign icon. To delete a row, click on this trash can icon. There are several customization options for the collapsible content section. For example, you can add a title in the heading field, and the color scheme drop-down menu gives you a few options to choose from for the style of the section. You can also determine whether or not the first row is open by default. Once you're done making edits, save your changes and exit back to the Shopify control panel. Select the Pages option in the left sidebar. You need to add a page to apply your new template to. Give this page a title like FAQ or Frequently Asked Questions. Make sure it's visible and select the FAQ template you just created. And save your changes, of course. Now, select the Content option in the left sidebar to add the FAQ to your store's navigation. Select Menus and pick the menu you want to add it to. Select Add Menu Item, add a label, and set the link option to your FAQ page. That's it. Let's take a look at what our live site looks like now by going back to the Sales Channel page and selecting View Your Store. As you can see, visitors are able to access your newly created FAQ page through your store's main menu, and everything's working on the FAQ page itself. You can also use Shogun to create an FAQ page for your Shopify store. After installing Shogun, select the Apps option in the left sidebar of the Shopify control panel, then open the app. Hover your cursor over Build or Edit a page. Let's start with building a page from scratch. After you set up the name and URL path of the new page, you'll be directed to Shogun's visual editor. In the left sidebar of the visual editor, you'll find the element library, which contains a wide variety of features that can be added to the page. The Accordion element makes a lot of sense for FAQ pages. Just drag it from the element library onto the page. You can enter the questions for your FAQ into the title field of the Accordion pane. As for your answers, you'll need to drop a text element inside the Accordion pane, and then you can write your answers in there. And you'll be able to add as many panes as you need for your particular FAQ section. There are many different ways to customize the Accordion element. For example, there are a couple animated options for the open icon. For the header font, look at all the options that just begin with the letter A. You have thousands of different fonts to choose from total. You can adjust the text alignment as well. Additionally, you can pick out the exact colors you want for the header background, header text, inner background, and border. All of the 16 million plus RGB color combinations are available here. To save time, you could use a block to add your FAQ section rather than an element. Like the element library, the block library is found in the left sidebar of the visual editor. Here, you'll find FAQ sections that have already been designed for you. There are about 10 options total. Once you add one of these blocks to your page, you'll find that there are already questions and answers entered into an accordion element. Delete the placeholder text and then add in your own content for the questions and answers. You'll be able to adjust the styling and other customization options for the accordion element within the block. And you can go to the main section of the accordion element settings to add or remove as many panes as you need. You can also save time by starting with a template rather than building your FAQ page from scratch. Let's go back and hover our cursor over Build or Edit a Page again, but this time we'll choose Browse Our Templates. Go to the About and Info Pages section. You'll find that there are many different templates available here, including templates for About Us pages, loyalty rewards, return policies, and more. And there are 3 options that were designed specifically for FAQ pages. Choose a template, give the new page a name and URL path, and then continue. It'll only take a moment to load up the template. Just like working with blocks, all you need to do is delete the placeholder text that comes with the template and replace it with your own content for the questions and answers of your FAQ. You can also make any tweaks to the design that you feel are necessary. Whenever you're done making edits, save your changes and publish the page to your live storefront. Let's click on this eye icon near the top right corner of the visual editor to check out the live version of the page, just to see what it looks like. Scrolling through, you can see that the page design is quite clean and polished, like it was designed by a professional, and all you had to do was enter in the text. It's that easy.
As you can see, it is easy to build your FAQ pages in Shopify, and it's even easier with a page builder like Shogun. Check out the description below for more resources and templates for your FAQ pages. And if you like this video, please hit subscribe and follow along for more tips and tricks for building and optimizing your Shopify store.